event. And thank you very much sa mga nanalo, of course, congratulations. And sa lahat na natalo naman, congratulations. No? Dahil this is not only for today, but we have to reach clear pa. And then we have malapit na, no? Ang Love Boracay. So, sa pamagiging na ni Forbes Pilato, na pasukan natin yung mga pro na para mas maganda. Diba? And of course, we have to look for more funds para mas may mga laki premyo, and of course, ang other sponsorship para more enjoyable siya. Well, sa lahat naman ng mga fans ng beach volleyball, na basketball, na of course, ito lang nangyayari sa Boracay ito. Sa lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Well, thank you very much, everyone, and of course, to the players, thank you very much for your participation. You will give more enjoyment for this Boracay Wonders Festival, and of course, sa ating mga, sa Department of Tourism, sa DNR, ano pa mga agency dito ngayon na involved, no? Sa ating mga personnel ng LGUs, sa ating private sectors, no? Thank you very much. Sa media people, social vloggers, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, thank you very much.
Kalibo Cable.
Kalibo Cable! Thank you, thank you. Well now, award, di ba, sa mga winners. Magkano ba ilang?
Individual award muna tayo niya.
Okay. Kailan, Charles. Thank you, thank you.
Maraming salamat sa ating Bituin Mayor Tony Bautista sa magagandang mensahe. For the Medical 5 from GST Stainless, no other than Bino Alvarez. From Tyler's Barbershop, Peter. Sabi ni Mayor, lahat ng Medical 5, tagwa 1,000 daw. Bigay ni Mayor, Romy Bautista. Bonus yan ni Mayor. Next, ang ating Medical 5 from Manila, Sir Latano. Congratulations, sir. Next up, Mr. Musico from Team Westside. And also the last Medical 5 is JJ Salvador. Ayan po ang ating Best Medical 5 Beach Basketball 2025. Our fifth runner-up from Team GM's Basketball. Congratulations, our fourth runner-up, like the fourth runner-up. Natagdagan daw ni Mayor ng 1,000 yung kanilang consolation prize. Third runner-up, no other than Team Tanod from Yapak. Dadagdagan din ni Mayor yung ang inyong consolation prize. Ayan po ang mga participants galing ng Yapak, Puka Beach. Additional 2,000 pesos galing kay Mayor. Okay na. Yung ating third place or second runner-up from Team GST Stainless. 10,000 cash prize. Plus Lucky at additional 2,000 from Mayor Romy Bautista. Okay. So, total cash prize nila is 12,000 pesos. First runner-up, 15,000 cash prize and plucky. Plus 2,000 galing naman kay Mayor again. No other than Tyler's Barbershop Team. Headed by Coach Jeffrey Sacapanyo Rodriguez. A total of 17,000 pesos.
Okay, one. One, two. Isa pa, one, two.
And for our champion for the third time, Grand Slam na ito, yung Team Wisai. A cash prize of 20,000 and plus 2,000 from Mayor Fromy. Yan po ang ating third time champion of beach basketball 2025 dito sa Boracay. Ang ating most valuable player no other than Bernard Ponpon. ₱1,000 for the cash prize. Consolation para sa MVP. Bigay ni Mayor Fromy Bautista. Palakpakan natin si Mayor. And once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi. See you again on La Boracay Beach Basketball. Good night, everyone.
One, two, three.